Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techur. In this video, I'll try to give you few methods how you can actually fix the green tint problem in the Mi11X device. So these methods may not work 100% and may work. So I'm not sure friends exactly which method is working, but I'll try to give a couple of methods. So after a lot of requests and a lot of messages which I got in the online after posting a couple of videos on this Mi11X regarding the green tint issue. So after that, today completely I did research on this green tint problem. So how to solve this and what are the other solution and what are the tricks as well to avoid this kind of green tint problem. So in this video I'll try to explain you what are the maybe 2 or 3 kind of methods. So try to use those kind of settings in your device and make sure to comment below under this video. If the method is working, then definitely that method will be useful for the rest of the users. So definitely friends, make sure to comment below as well. So there is another video which I'll be uploading whether you need to return the phone or keep it with you if you're having the green tint problem. So make sure to watch that video in case if you're in that kind of dilemma whether to return or not. So that video will be very helpful for you all. So first thing is that first method, try this kind of method. So go to the display and there try to select the refresh rate to 60 Hz. So if it's 120 Hz, try to keep it 60 Hz and then try to decrease the brightness and use in the dark environment mode or whatever case in which you are seeing the green tint. So try to use the low refresh rate, not with the 120 Hz. So use with the low refresh rate and then let's see friends what will happen. So that is one method which I will be suggesting you to do. So just try to use this kind of trick and let me know in the comments below whether that kind of trick is working or not. And next second method is to go to the color scheme and in the color scheme try to use the advanced settings. In this advanced settings try to select this P3 color gamut, as you can see friends. So this is the option which is present. So try to select the P3 color gamut option. So once you select the P3 color gamut and try to test the same kind of scenario and let's see whether that kind of trick is working or not. And in case if you that second method is also not working, try to use this virginal colors, as you can see. So this is the one which will restore the standard color of the screen content with the color calibration. So try to use this kind of option and let's see friends whether you will be facing any kind of green tint issue or not. So these are a few things which I gathered information and I thought of sharing with you all so that you can try in your Mi11X device and you can keep me updated regarding this issue. So definitely I'll try to keep an eye on this particular video regarding the comments and feedback what I'm getting on this using this different kind of methods. So try to change different settings, not only this virginal colors, not only this P3, try to use different kind of settings and try to observe whether you're facing any color green screen tint or not. So if still you are facing that kind of problem, so do let me know in the comments below friends. And there is another video for that kind of people, even after trying all this kind of 3 methods, still if it's not working, there is another video where I thought of mentioning what is the next case you need to do. So make sure to watch that video. That video will be very much helpful for you all.